What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm currently on my way to my boy GOOCH's house. We're gonna go install a Fly1mototrsports carbon fiber hood for his Q50. Got my boy's car right here. Sure. My boy was literally at the gym and they stole his carbon mirror cap. Sick ass thing. He need to clean his engine bay though. Shit dirty. We got them work wheels. Sure. I love these. Carbon fenders. Damn. He's been having the hood sitting at his house for like a month already. We've been trying to do it, but it's been raining a lot lately, but we're finally gonna get it done. It's gonna look sick. Better scratch it. Can I scratch your hood?
Yeah. Just loosen it or take it off completely?
So we're currently taking off these bolts. These are 12 mils, 2 on each side, so 4. And then we already measured the hood latches so it can be the same height for the other hood that we got right there. All right, so we have the hood off now. Where's that Alto here? We're just gonna take off the old hardware, the latch. We already took these off. So we got these on right now. All we need to do is put the latches on. Got the bad boy on. It got dark while we were doing it. You kind of see it. Let's see. Looks clean. Matches the fenders. We're still tidying up the hood so we can make sure it closes right. We just gotta drill for the latches because those weren't pre-drilled.
Alright, so we're putting the second latch on. Got the safety goggles on. Dark as fuck out, but you got it.
Let's take it to leave. You got it. I don't know why they don't make these shits pre-drilled, bro. So we finished up drilling up everything. Now we're gonna close it. Moment of truth. It's nice. Look at that. The gap is pretty good. Not bad for being a carbon part. Got this side too. Slight gap, but no carbon is gonna fit perfect. They fucking stole his mirror cap, bro. But other than that, the car looks really clean with the carbon hood. Huge difference. Sure. Alright, so that's gonna be it for the video. Sick ass started. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. The little carbon hood install. Super clean, look at that. We had to come to the car wash so you could get better lighting. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Shout out to my boy Gooch though.